Each premium Atlantic Solar's light is made of premium high-quality heat-resistant plastic for years of use. With our newest and improved solar panel, an exceptional 3.2V lithium-ion battery, and 5 ultra-bright LEDs, these solar lights' efficiency and output are virtually unparalleled. Not only will their brightness be increased by 13.3 times, but they will also have a superior charging performance, providing prolonged illumination. The lights have an operating time of up to 8 to 10 hours, depending on weather conditions. The new and improved Atlantic Solar's lights are undoubtedly of exceptional quality. They are one of the brightest lights available on the market.